VW Lifers, welcome to the June Bug Rally 2019. Matt Jackson, this is the big one.
This is it. This is the big day.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, the battle for this is for the most coveted award in all of motorsports, the June Bug Trophy. It is a thing of beauty, right, Mad Martin?
Yep.
He spoke!
I spoke.
Oh my God. Now, today's June Bug Rally is a lot of fun. You guys are going to enjoy it. It's a gimmick rally through the streets of Austin, Texas. We do it every year. I don't know how many years we've been doing it, more than most people have been alive. But anyway, it is a lot of fun, and most fun you can have in your Volkswagen with your pants on.
That's right. If you're in adventure and fun, this is VW Life, and we're going to take you on an adventure today. So stay tuned.
Here we go. Let's do it. Let's go racing, boys.
2019, let's do it.
Okay, so the cars are starting to line up. People are registering. There's a wide variety of Volkswagens out here today. One in particular is this really nice 13 window right here that Brian has. Check this out. It's a 67.
Is that OGC blue, Matt Jackson?
I believe so.
Sea blue, cumulus white.
Yeah.
Texas burn.
Really nice Texas burn. They're tuning up their motor, getting it ready.
Race ready?
Yeah.
And you guys have a shop called Das Auto, is that right?
Yes.
Das Auto Shop. Ready to race? Are you gonna win it?
Oh yeah, sure. She is.
Good to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
So this is your VW Bugley?
Yes, it is.
And it's a 63? 64, okay. And where are you from?
We're from Amarillo.
And what brings you to Austin?
We're working at Blanco State Park as park host.
Ah, cool. So you got an RV and you tow your Volkswagen behind it, huh?
Yes.
Wow, that's cool. And so you just happen to be in the area and you're attending June Bug.
Yes.
So what do you think? What are you anticipating?
A lot of cars, a lot of fun.
Hey Midge, are you excited?
I am super stoked, bro.
Are you gonna win?
I always win.
Hey Mary, this is y'all's single cab, isn't it?
It is, man.
You just got this restored, huh?
Yep, about a year ago.
And you think you're gonna win it today?
Oh, we're in it to win it.
That's right.
I don't know, I can't get out this door, so I don't know how much we're gonna...
I gotta be a gentleman the whole day.
Is this your Volkswagen?
Yeah,
What year is it?
74,
How old are you?
18,
Nice. Where are you from?
Butte, Texas.
All right. What's your name?
Raquel.
Anything you want to tell us about your Volkswagen?
It's nice.
So, you guys think you're gonna win it today?
Yeah, definitely.
Is this your first year out here? Awesome. Well, have fun out there.
Thank you.
You guys have a large team here. Do you think it's strength in numbers?
We're trying to get. We're trying to come home with a prize, and we know there's a prize for most people in a Volkswagen. So that's at least what we're trying to do here. But it's always nice to win, and that's the ultimate
Have you
goal.
come up with a team name yet?
Yes, we are team participation.
All right. Good
Because
luck
we
out
will
there,
try.
guys.
Thank you, VW Lifers.
All right. So Martin's in charge of shirts.
Yep.
Martin actually came up with the design as he does every year. So it looks like you're a previous winner, is that right?
Yes, sir. Most likely to catch on fire.
Most likely to catch on fire. Now that's a coveted award. Do you think you're going to win it again this year?
Well, I found out my cracked fuel line's been replaced, so it's not pouring gas like it was, but I'm down to, keep the title.
What are you guys?
Blues Brothers.
Oh, wow. Are you on a mission from God?
We got an understanding. We're on a mission from God.
And who are you guys?
We are the South American Pickers.
South American Pickers, huh? Is that a TV show?
No, that's the migrant workers. We're looking for asylum in the U.S.
Oh, okay. Welcome.
All right.
Yes.
I forgot to.
Are you guys gonna win it today?
Extra large, medium,
What's your strategy?
small?
Slow and steady.
Yeah. You don't want to go too fast because that's when you make mistakes.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
Good.
and my car is low and slow. So.
All right, good luck out there.
Thank you.
All right.
Have you guys ran this before?
No, that was the first time.
First one.
Are you looking forward to it?
Absolutely.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I haven't a clue. Which is why we showed up.
All right, well, good luck out there. What's your strategy today?
Show up, learn for next year.
There you go.
Good. All right, good luck out there.
Thanks.
So you got the racing tape on there, right? Yeah. That's to make you to win.
It'll go faster.
All right, good.
Tape on there.
Good luck. What's your strategy today?
Beat everybody.
Ah, good choice.
Did you get that on tape? We just went from a family show to like a Jake and here we go, Elwood.
All right, so things are really starting.
Yeah, Junebug. You know, it's always, it never fails. We got 10 minutes, Matt Jackson. This is 10 minutes right before the drivers' meeting. This is where things start really ramping up.
Yep.
We've got quite a pre-race spectacle. You know, I mean, we've got driver introductions. We've got notification of all of the old past winners. We're going to have driver introductions. We're going to go over the rules of Junebug. What are the rules of Junebug, Matt Jackson?
There are no rules.
There are no rules. That's right. And then we'll have today. We're going to have a national anthem. We'll put everybody but the drivers in their cars. We'll get ready for the most exciting moment in motorsports, the Le Mans start for the 2019 Junebug Rally.
That's right. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's about to go down. We're going to do driver introductions and then it's on.
It's going to get crazy, folks. Stay with us, man.
We're matching. The Dub Shack is matching.
Okay, so is this to make you win the race?
Yes.
Keep the headlights from blowing up.
It's to even.
This is a safety issue.
Absolutely. This is so that when you're coming up on Californian during the Dub Shack rally, they see the X's on your headlights and they know you're in a race rally. And if they don't know that, then that's their own fault. But we're doing everything we can to keep it safe around here.
All right, so here I have Pablo. And who's your co-pilot?
Alice.
Alice, and you're riding in
White Bear.
the White Bear. You're from San Antonio, right?
Yep,
and this
correct.
is the first time you've ever done the Junebug Rally.
No, this is my second one.
Oh, your second one. You're a seasoned veteran.
Yeah. Somewhat. Yeah.
So you guys looking forward to it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Looking forward
We're gonna
to
try to do it
winning.
as fast or as slow as we can, you know?
Fast as we can.
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys have fun out there and good luck.
Awesome, man.
Thanks.
See you later.
And what are you guys ladies today?
We are the queens, the reigning Junebug queens.
Oh, okay.
Junebug Rally!
All right, first and foremost, we want to welcome you guys all, because you guys being here is what makes the Junebug Rally happen. That's what it's all about. I want you to look around at everybody. What a great event for our Volkswagen community. These are your brothers, these are your sisters. We're all in this together. We want to keep these. You've heard of the Stanley Cup. It was just awarded to the St. Louis Blues. Yeah! You've heard of the Lombardi Trophy. The crappy Patriots won it again.
All right, now it's the driver's meeting.
79, people known as Peaches, Jared, and Roger. Zoe,
Here, let me just stand there.
and Joseph, and Dave.
All right, this is it. We've got all the drivers lined up on this side, and all the co-pilots are on this side. We've got about 50 cars. We're minutes from dropping the green
Matt
flag.
Jackson, this is the moment right here. This is the moment. We have over 50 cars in the June Bug Rally. That's a championship.
Yeah, look at them.
Look at this. This is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. We have the national anthem with the Texas flag. I forgot the American flag. Sorry, Matt Jackson.
That's all right.
But it got the message across. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. We got former champions. We got rookies of the year. We got people dressed up. This is the June Bug Rally through the streets of Austin, Texas.
It's on. It's on. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Here we go.